The one thing that drew me to O'Neill is that it's a school for making a difference. And the minute I read that, I was like, oh my gosh, that's for me. Like, it's a school for people who want to make the world better. And I was like, I don't even need to be sold anymore.
O'Neill was special in that it was this interdisciplinary opportunity to learn not just the hard facts about things, but how does it actually get done? How does it go from an idea to an action?
At O'Neill, they really understand what it's like to apply what you're learning into the real world. You're taking classes that'll build your technical knowledge, practical skills, soft skills, and that'll really translate into your professional career after graduation.
We have majors of sustainability, we have majors of management, we have public safety, we have criminal justice.
In my class, we had students who were 18 years old, fresh out of high school, and then we had adults who were in the middle of their careers.
The O'Neill program is very inclusive. They don't overlook students. Everyone is given fair and equal opportunities.
The first time I stepped foot on campus, I felt very much at home. Even though it's such a big area, it still felt very small and welcoming. I've made so many friends just by going to class, talking to people, putting myself out there.
It definitely feels like a family at O'Neill. I feel like faculty are always there to answer questions, provide opportunities. You'll always have someone there to push you to be better.
I walked in and it just felt really homey. It wasn't overwhelming, but at the same time, it seemed like there was still an immense amount of opportunities available.
Learning in an urban environment means that you're getting so many different cultures that you can learn from, which I think is the most beneficial thing. I love that in the city you can start fresh, you can start new, and everyone's willing to be open and provide opportunities for you.
There's a lot of resources for us to be able to get in contact with internships, job shadowing opportunities.
There's so many resources on campus as far as extracurricular clubs, different diversity centers.
And they have like the Washington Leadership Program, they have Study Abroad. It's just a lot of things that come with it that are very helpful for students.
The advisors here are dedicated to helping students achieve their goals.
There's not one day where I don't feel inspired to just create something entirely new, and that's what I like about O'Neill. They don't settle for anything, and they're always looking to make groundbreaking changes in the community and in the world.